Well, students, so now new set of test paper is here on your screen. So we see this test paper. The pattern is the same, but we are looking at the bigger horizon here. The way is the different. So if you will solve this particular question, the first question, which is for 17 marks, here you have, there are the different type of, just read it very carefully. There are different type of the pineapple in the given figure. How many pineapples appear only once? That means there are the pineapple, though they are in pairs, they are more than one, but there are certain number of the pineapple is only once. So here if you'll answer 2, 5, 6, so basis on that you will get the mark 17, 15 or this. So we have options are here 1, 2, 3 or none. So in all cases, if you are opting 2 or 1 or 3, so you need to check, and the correct answer, if you will able to crack it, okay, 2, that's the right, and you are able to crack 2, so you will get full marks. 1, you will get partial marks. So that's what this question is. Now let's go to the next question, which is here in PTQ only, but from here onwards, question number 2 is slightly different. Now normally you get the 16 words, here you are getting a 4 different images and the 2 words which derive the one pictures, and here is identify the most appropriate example for hierarchy and dominance. So there will be hierarchy and dominance. So if we see option number D, I have told you earlier how to do the elimination methods. So D, which we have black and white, that means contrast cannot be possible. B, more showing the support, love cannot be possible. Now option number A and C, in both image we can see the dominance, but at the same time hierarchy, which goes into the line. So that's the right answer is C, because that is the appropriate example for dominance and hierarchy, the both. So that would be the right answer over here. So in the question itself, you have PTQ here. The options are in terms of A and B, C. So now, if in case, why we are solving such question, again, student, I would like to repeat, and you will have such kind of multiple test paper on Ignite India app. So download right now our app, go and follow the Instagram page, the step 1 there. After following, you can write the message, you can contact our team, and you can access our couple of free material. However, we have a paid courses also that you can go for. Now, again here the third question, based on your exam pattern as it is. Identify the 4 most important visual principle in the given two-dimensional color pictures. So they have mentioned it here very clearly. It is 2-dimensional colored pictures. So it is not 3-dimensional. It's made in such a way, it's a 2-dimensional. So you may feel like this. So now you have to look at the appropriate words are, which is here below. Such kind of the question, you will have 6 right answer here, like suppose perspective, 3D effect, or symmetry, whatever you want to select on focus. So you can select the 6 into different segments, and out of that, the 4 best is the right answer. You can pick any 4 in that. So that's what it is, and it's the pattern is very tricky a bit. But if you are doing a regular practice, if you're attending the many number of the mock paper Ignite India, in a day you can write multiple test paper, along with the feedback session, you will have a great marks. Next, we'll go for the next question here. In this questions is very important. I will show you the answer key as well in later if you want. Match the match the box action movement with the figure. So here, suppose if you are standing mode and you are keeping a hand like this, so that means you are carrying something like this. If you are sitting, that means you are trying to pull something, that would. If you are holding something like this, that means you are trying to keep it that one, option number D. Now the movement, the 4th option, if you will see, when you are holding in this way, so that is going with the option number E. So like that you have to select. So which one? Like suppose option number E, the right answer that will goes with the option number D. So like that, the each and every image will goes with. So this posture one is again very important question, predefined, like you have to look at the gestures are and accordingly you have to answer it. There are many answers, and those marked one which you see A4 or C4 and CA, like that these options are, and you have to select the all four correctly, right? Next, go to this was our PTQ type, and now our MCQ type questions are started here. As per the pattern, the fifth one, you have to look at the which one is the closest and the right option over here, right? So do you think option number A, B, C, D, which one will be the right options? So one thing is very clear over here. If I will take the elimination method also, you will get the answer. One thing is very, very clear. Here the 2 square, we have to take in each and every composition. But 3 square, is that possible? No, not at all. So option number B is not possible. That is not the right answer. Option number C, D, and A. That is what we need to see here in the composition. Now option number C is also not possible. In none of the column we can see the 3 similar objects here. If you will take that option number this one 1 2 3 4, the fourth row, there will be the fourth square will come. So C is not possible. Now the way you can solve easily, and you will get the good marks, students. So it is very important to understand that very practically how to solve the question very easily using the eliminate methods. You got the answer easily A here using the eliminate methods, and you have solved the puzzle also rather than putting a lot of effort in this question. Let's go to the next question, which gonna come on your screen right now here. In this question you have to use the paper here. Now again I will read the question first for you, right? 8 square of the people or exactly the same size have been placed on top of each other so that they overlap. So in what order the seats placed? So here from where you will start, these all are the same side of the paper. So now C, E, B, F, H, G, D, and A. That is what the right answer is. You need to put NC. You need to put NC. The way if you will put in this way, the all paper will come in this form, and that's what you will get exact form. Yeah. So let's move to the next one. See, each option is starting with the C, right? So movement option is starting with the C here. Using the eliminate method also you can get the answer. You have to see the order. C, then below B, E and B, then going above F and H, the next row H and D, and then A. So A and C. Now see, A and C is in there in 3. One option. C is eliminated. Then C, E, B. C, E, B. So now looking this word C, E, B. Again option number B and D having the same pattern. C, E, B. Then F and H. F and H is there in option number B, and here the D having an H and then F. So B is the right answer. That's what you got it. Let's go to the next question. So this one, the next question is again really very interesting. Here you have to find the right answer, and in a very interesting terms it is. So here, what is there? The front and back view of the solid are shown. Which of the options can be folded in the form in the solid? So right, one object you can see the front and back view. Now you have to find which one is the right answer, right? So make this surface development, show me and let me know which one you think is the right answer. Options, in the options we will share you, and you can download this paper and the Ignite India. For that the step is same. You need to go and follow us on Instagram, Send the batch request code, ask the batch request code. After the following, you will get that code and make sure you go and access that one. Now the next question, we go for the next question, which is very important. Wipe here. Very carefully you have to look at this question. So question meaning is, there is a color, there is a wipe. So what is there? So below paint, which was on the wall surface, like paint is square, to pull over which of the option correctly responsible part of the pattern form. So once this color which is on a wall and that goes, so which one correctly? So keep your focus on this question and then find out which one is the right answer. Very interesting question. It's may need some time, but it's make your question level so up, so that you need to practice in such a level so easily you can crack the exams and exam pattern. Now the next question which gonna come on your screen, that is, if you ask me, it's slightly tricky and interesting. People will not have doubt in option number D and C. Easily you can eliminate, because you have to find out here what. Yeah, Astha is the girl name, shelling a paper boat. Shelling a paper boat in still water. Which of the given option represent the reflection correctly? Now see, the words is reflection. When we see that the terms image number 1, that is shown more like what? Not a reflection, mirror image here. It's not at all tilted, not at all this. Now the leg position of the sea is not possible, impossible. Now again the D1, the face, leg, and the the way you are seeing it, this cannot be possible in the similar. So we can easily see that the right answer here will be the B, and that's what you found it. If you have any doubt, you can discuss with me. Obviously, I'm here to answer you and I'll help you for this question. Now the next questions which will come on the screen, that is a question number 10, and that's what the year end. Now again, that one you're supposed to do surface development. Here the surface is given, you're supposed to fold and find the answer. So fold it, any interesting object, try to find it the right answer, and let me know which one you found it. Let's guys, so that's what we end here, but this is not the end, it's just a start. Like this, you want a part of our multiple test paper? Yes, you can. Easily you can access our test paper. For that, you need to upgrade and register with Ignite India. The moment you will register, our team will contact you and you will get to know a lot. So stay in touch, stay learning with us. Make sure that you subscribe, press the bell icon button, forward this question to your friend, though they are preparing for the 12th September exam, and make sure you go and follow us on Instagram, that is Ignite_India, our page, because all the tests, all live classes, all the update will come to you 10 p.m. You will find me till your exam on live on Instagram. So good luck guys for your upcoming exam. Happy learning. Thank you so much for watching this video.